Provely is a tool that displays social proof notifications on your website to increase trust and encourage conversions by showing visitors real-time activity of other users. So for example, if you use Provely on your website and someone's trying to check out, they might want to buy your product, then they're going to get little notifications on the side here telling them that, this person just bought something 4 minutes ago and so on and so forth. So that's a social proof to let them know that a real person just bought this product, and so with that they're more likely to buy the product knowing that other people are buying it right now as well. In this video I'm going to tell you about Provely's affiliate program and how much you can earn if you become their affiliate. I've included the link to try Provely in the description of this video so you can check it out if you want, and stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company with just a few short videos on this channel, many of which didn't even get 10 views. And if you are serious about affiliate marketing and you want to turn this into a business that you can replace your job with, I'll tell you about the best way to learn affiliate marketing if you're a beginner at the end of the video. Now let's talk about the Provely affiliate program. So Provely is actually part of Pay Kickstart. Pay Kickstart has a bunch of different programs inside them, including other software, and Provely is just one of them. Now Provely directly doesn't tell you on their website how much they pay for their affiliates, but if you check out their owner, the main company, Pay Kickstart, they tell you that they offer 25% commissions for the life of each customer you refer, and they also offer a 2-week trial period. So you can make 25% commission every single month as long as a person renews their subscription. So that can stack up to a lot of money. Now let me show you how much I made as an affiliate from a different program with very few views. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very, very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.